How do I apply for TPD discharge with an SSA notice of award? Imagine being unable to work and still having student loans hanging over your head. If you've received a Social Security Administration notice of award for disability benefits, there's good news. You might qualify for a total and permanent disability discharge on your federal student loans. Let's walk through how to apply step by step so you can get the relief you deserve. First, understand that TPD Discharge is a program that forgives federal student loans for people who are totally and permanently disabled. This includes direct loans, Federal Family Education Loan Program loans, Perkins loans, and Teach Grant Service obligations. The process is managed by the U.S. Department of Education, with Nelnet acting as the main servicer for applications. To qualify using your SSA Notice of Award, your documentation must show that the SSA has officially determined you are disabled. Also, your next scheduled disability review should be within 5 to 7 years from your last SSA disability decision. If your review is set sooner than 5 years, you might need to provide extra medical proof to support your claim. You will need a copy of your SSA Notice of Award or a Benefits Planning Query, also called a BPQI, which is Form 2459 from the SSA. This document must clearly state your disability status and the date of your next review. Make sure the document is current and easy to read before you start your application. You can apply online through the Federal Student Aid website. Log into your account, find the TPD Discharge application page, and follow the prompts. The system will ask you to select your eligibility category, which in this case is SSA disability. When asked, upload your SSA Notice of Award or BPQI. Have your loan details and personal info ready in case the system requests more information. If you prefer paper, you can download the application form, fill it out manually, and mail or fax it. Always include a copy of your SSA documentation with your application to avoid delays. When mailing, send it to the address listed in the instructions. If faxing or emailing, use the contact details provided on the website. After submitting your application, Nelnet will review your documents. During this review, you won't have to make payments on your loans. The process usually takes up to 120 days. If your application is approved, you will get a notification that your loans are discharged. Any payments made after your disability date may be refunded. Before submitting, double-check that your SSA documents meet all the program requirements. If you have questions, contact Nelnet directly for help. If you have someone helping you, both of you need to fill out a designation form to authorize their assistance. Once approved, you generally cannot get new federal student loans unless a doctor certifies you are able to work again, and you sign a statement acknowledging that future loans cannot be discharged on the same disability basis. This process is designed to help those who are unable to work due to a permanent disability find relief from student debt and move forward with their lives.